Creating FFCRA Benefits. To facilitate compliance with the Families First Coronavirus Response Act, FFCRA or Act, 3 different benefit types need to be created in TimeIPS. 1. FFCRA Sick Full. 2. FFCRA Sick 2/3. And 3. FFCRA FMLA 2/3. This video will walk you through how to add these new benefits. Keep in mind, the Advanced Benefits Tracking Module, IPS BEN, is required to create and edit these custom benefit types, as well as track FFCRA time using TimeIPS. If your system does not already have the Advanced Benefits Tracking Module, contact TimeIPS Customer Support for assistance. Using the left pane main menu, under Administration, click on Benefits, then Benefit Accrual Types. First, we will add the 3 different types by clicking the plus sign on the left side of the Create New Benefit Type bar. Select Benefit Type from the Create New drop-down menu. Note that if you have set up compensatory time, the Create New drop-down menu will no longer display. Enter FFCRA Sick Full for the first name, then click the Add button. Repeat these steps to add the other 2 options. Enter FFCRA Sick 2/3 for the second name, and FFCRA FMLA 2/3 for the third name. Once you have all 3 FFCRA benefits added, click the plus sign next to the benefit name. Each benefit has a pay code associated with it. If you know what that code is, for the payroll system you use, change or enter that code name here on the General tab. If you use a custom payroll export, you will need to speak with customer support to add the pay codes to it. If you use QuickBooks, you will need to add a payroll item in QuickBooks and then set the pay rate for each employee for each item. Under Paid, select Yes for all 3 FFCRA benefit types. Please note that the 2/3 reduced pay rates are not directly supported by the benefit types and must be configured in the payroll by pay code or in custom payroll export by expression. Under Counts Towards Overtime, select No for all 3 FFCRA benefit types. Advanced Options. In most cases, the advanced options, with perhaps the exception of the custom message, should be left at the defaults. To make changes, see the Benefit Types article. Subclasses can be used to track projects, departments, areas, or other designations related to the benefit, the employee, or why the benefit was used. If you feel subclasses are needed, see the Benefit Types article for instructions. Granting the new benefits. Next, grant employees the new benefits. Select Benefits, Accrual Groups, and select the new FFCRA sick time. Set the tenure starts relative to a specific date and time, and enter 4/1/2020, 12 a.m. Then create a new tenure level. Configure it to start at 0 weeks and end before 10 days. Set the accrual rate to 80 hours per accrual interval. Set the accrual interval to weekly and the starting at to a set date 4/1/2020, 12 a.m. Do the same for FFCRA Sick 2/3. The setup for FFCRA FMLA is the same. Except it is for 400 hours and needs the accrual waiting period set to 30 days. Please keep in mind that this will show employees as having 2 weeks for both FFCRA Sick and FFCRA Sick 2/3. The FFCRA Act only requires one or the other of these to be provided. If you choose to only allow employees to use one or the other, such enforcement must be made manually. Note: TimeIPS helps facilitate compliance with the Families First Coronavirus Response Act, but please carefully read the FFCRA Act to ensure compliance.